Okay, hi there YouTube. So today I'll show you a simple tutorial on how to set up Rclone on your Linux box. You can use Google Drive or any other online cloud provider to set this up. I'll be using Rclone to set up my Google Drive on my virtual machine so that I can easily transfer all my media from Google Drive to my online storage. So first of all you need to connect with your box, and here you can see I've already connected here and I've already configured some existing clones. So anyways, first of all you need to run this command to install this. After installing you can run rclone config. We'll set up a new remote. We can name it test. Storage that we'll be using here is Google Drive, which is 30. Here it will ask for client ID, so let's get that. We'll need to enable Google Drive API for this. You can enable it by visiting this link. You can check this out in my video description. Now let's wait for it to be enabled. After it's enabled, we can set this up so that we can get a client ID, a password, and a secret. Okay, it's done. Now we need to create some credentials and we need to set this up. You know, to set this authorization, here you can select the project, open. It's loading. Once it's loaded, you will see some new areas. Okay, I think it's done. We need to refresh this page. Let's set this up. I don't know why it's taking so long. Till then, we'll make a new directory here. Let's name a new make dir slash mnt slash test. And you can see here, you'll be able to see a new directory here called test. We'll be mounting a Google Drive here. And here it's done loading. So we'll need to use this, external screen. Click on create. Then you can name application at anything test rclone. And you need to enable a scope called auth drive. It will enable us to enable all our Google Drive files addition. Click on save. After it's done, you need to create some credentials so that your access is protected. Click on create credentials or auth client ID. Application type should be desktop app. Name it anything. Rclone test. Great. And you need to copy and paste these things into your. Here is a client ID. Next is a client secret. And I'll enable full access including read write support. Keep on pressing enter. No. We are working headless, so I'll press no. Copy this link and paste it here. Log into a Gmail ID and you will get the access token. Click on accept, and here is a token. Copy this and paste it here. It's not clean drive, so I'll click on no. Yes, this is okay, and voila, you can see that a test drive is set up. Now to mount this test drive, here's a simple command. I'll replace this as test and also here test, paste, and see it's mounted here. See, my Google Drive folder can be seen here. Getting started, and here you can see getting started. I can create some random file and it will be visible on my Google Drive screen. Let's try to create a copy. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you want to clone this drive, you can exit this and the mount will terminate. The mount has terminated. To copy these drives, you can use a simple command called rclone copy drive name 1 ratio and the drive you want to copy to drive name 2 ratio, and it will start the copying. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate all your support.